What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to move your mobile contacts to your Gmail account. There are several reasons you might want to do this. For one, it takes a backup of your contacts to the cloud, ensuring you won't lose them if something happens to your phone. It also makes it easy to sync your contacts across multiple devices. So, if you switch phones or use multiple devices, all your contacts are readily accessible. Before we begin transferring your contacts, you first need to export them in your Files app in a CSV format. This format is universally recognized and can be easily imported to your Gmail account. Start by opening your Contacts app and tap on Lists in the upper left corner. Then, press and hold on the category of contacts you want to export, such as those stored on your device or in the cloud storage. In the pop-up menu that appears, select Export. After tapping on Export, a share sheet window will slide up, asking you where to save your contacts. Choose to save them in your Files app. Once your contacts are exported, open the Gmail app on your device. Tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Then select Manage your Google account. Swipe through the tab bar at the top until you find the People and Sharing option. Under the Contact section, tap on Contact Info from your devices. Here, you'll see an option for Google Contacts. Tap on this link and you'll be redirected to your Google Contacts page on your mobile browser. On this Google Contacts page, tap on the burger menu icon in the upper left corner and select Import. A pop-up menu will appear, prompting you to select a file. Tap on Select File and navigate to the Contacts file you previously saved in your Files app. Select it and confirm the import to your Gmail account. By following these steps, your mobile contacts will now be safely stored in your Gmail account, accessible from any device where you're logged in with your Google account. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.